Upranesh Hakoven ngusomashishini kweli shishini lakhe uqeshe abasebenzi abalishumi-nesithathu uthi ukukhula kweshishini lakhe kungenxa yegalelo le-Small Enterprise Training Agency kunye ne-Small Enterprise Finance Agency.
How to build my business, how to use my finances correctly, and how to find new markets where we needed new machines, we needed new growth, and we look forward to CFA.
Kodwa ungakwazi ukufumana inkxaso-mali kusekumqobo.
Service the private sector to a large scale, meaning that it actually brings about 95% of our revenue. Meaning that we do look forward to get more assistance from the public sector. That accommodates about 5% of my revenue.
Nabanye osomashishini bafuna urhulumente angenelele kulo mba wenkxaso-mali.
When we apply for funding, we don't meet like the requirements that they are looking for, especially when it comes to registrations and all that thing.
Elisebe lamashishini asakhasayo lifuna kumilisela isicwangciso sokukhulisa uqoqosho lisebenzisa amashishini amancinci.
They're talking about access to markets, access to funding, the red tape that is there. Of course, they do complain also about the non-adherence to the 30% that government has agreed to in terms of it going to small businesses. And we said these are all helping us as we're in a process of reviewing the legislation, especially the Principal Act, which we call the Business Act, with this big responsibility of not only growing the economy but transforming it, and on top of that create the 9 million jobs envisaged in the NDP.
Umyalezo olutyelela ngokuba ulutsha maluvule amashishini ngobuninzi.